Hi, my students. Nice to see you again. Now I have a question for you. Do you love to play a game? Yes? That's perfect. I have a matching game. These are 6 pictures with 6 names. You match the name to the picture. Now, if you can't do it right, I'll help you with the answer key. And now 1D, the pyramid is in Egypt. Picture 2, I think all of you know clearly because it's in China. You can see it from the moon because it's very humorous. That is the race one of China. And it was built by the king, Tần Thủy Hoàng, king. Picture 3, the city of Trust. It's in Olympia. And 4, it's so beautiful. It's in Paris. It symbolizes 4 rains. The Eiffel Tower. And 5, there are a lot of trees and flowers. Hanging Garden of Babylon. The Hanging Gardens of Babylon is one of the wonders of the world, of ancient world, aesthetic by Greek culture. And the last picture we have the Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a temple, and it was built by a king. You know that is a proof of true love. You have traveled all over the world. And throughout the activity you have, can you guess what the lesson is? Its name, Unique 14 Wonders of the World. Lesson, read. And here's some new words, some vocabularies that can help you and can be useful. Compile, surviving, claim, honor, citizen, royal. That's all. And you open your notebook and write out. And now let's do a small exercise that can easily remember. Matching. You match the English meaning to Vietnamese meaning. We have 1, C, compile, 2, F, surviving, 3, A, claim, 4, honor, E, 5, citizen, D, 6, royal, B. We move to other exercise. After you learn the new words, now you read the 4 sentences on the screen. You read it and you just guess true or false. True or false prediction, you just get. You don't open your book. 1. An Egyptian man compiled a list of what he thought were the wonders of the world. Today we can see the Hanging Garden of Babylon in present-day Iraq. The Great Wall of China first wasn't in the list of the 7 wonders of the world. In the early 15th century, the Khmer king chose Angkor Wat as the new capital. After you get true or false, you read the text to check true or false. Open your book, please. The text. Now, you listen.
Unit 14, Wonders of the World.
Read.
Centuries ago in ancient Greece, a man by the name of Antipater of Sidon compiled a list of what he thought were the 7 wonders of the world. The 7 included the Hanging Gardens of Babylon in present-day Iraq, the statue of Zeus in Greece, and the Pyramid of Cheops in Egypt. The pyramid is the only wonder you can still see today. Many people claim that there were other wonders which the ancient Greeks knew nothing about. These include the Great Wall of China, the Taj Mahal in India, and Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Angkor Wat should really be known as a wonder because it is the largest temple in the world. The temple was built around the year 1100 to honor a Hindu god, but over the next 3 centuries it became a Buddhist religious center. The area surrounding the temple, Angkor Thom, used to be the royal capital city. But in the early 15th century, the Khmer rulers moved to Phnom Penh, and Angkor was quiet.
Now, after listening, you must read yourself at least twice. And now we check true or false synthesis. 1. It's false. 2. It's false. 3. 2. 4. False. Now we must look information why it's false. Let's start. It's false. An Egyptian man compiled a list of what he thought were the 7 wonders of the world, and we can see from the passage. And you rewrite the true sentence in your notebook, please. We replace an Egyptian man by a man by the name of Antipater of Sidon. 2. Today we can see the Hanging Garden of Babylon in present-day Iraq, and we have it's false because the pyramid is only the wonder you can see today, and we can't see the Hanging Garden of Babylon now. 3. The Great Wall of China first wasn't in a list of the 7 wonders of the world. It's true. And 4. In the early 15th century, the Khmer king chose Angkor Wat as the new capital, and we have true or false? You guess? True or false? And now the answer key is false. In the early 15th century, the Khmer ruler moved to Phnom Penh and Angkor Wat was quiet. Thank you. And this is the multiple choice. We have 4 questions. You must choose A, B, or C to complete the sentence. The only surviving wonder of Antipater list is A. The Great Wall of China, B. The Statue of Zeus, the Pyramid of Cheops, and Angkor Wat. Let's say C. Pyramid of Cheops. B. Angkor Wat was originally built for Hindus. Angkor Wat was a part of royal Khmer city a long time ago. And D. In the 1400, the Khmer king chose Phnom Penh as the capital city. We have A, and we can see from the text, and you see the key from here. Homework. You learn new words by heart. Rewrite the exercise. Prepare language focus. You must rewrite the true or false and multiple choice in your notebook, please. And goodbye. See you later. Thank you for your